Well, guys, welcome again to Jamaican Versions. This is Big Papa. Well, I haven't put up a video in like more than a week, so this is my first video for a while. Guys, I needed to subscribe. Yeah, I need to get at least 2,000 subscribers. So whenever you view this video, please like, share, and click that notification bell. So whenever I post a new video, you guys will be the first to see it. Okay. So today I'm doing two songs. Some guys have all the luck by the Persuaders. Then the same song, same title by Maxi Priest. That's the Jamaican version. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the Persuaders, but I know you guys, and a lot of you guys know Maxi Priest. So here we go with the Persuaders. Some guys have all the luck. Some guys have all the luck. Some guys have all the fame. Some guys have a little sunshine in their life. My life is always filled with. Yeah, some guys have all the luck. Yeah, from back in the days when I was going to school, it seemed as if some guys have all the luck. The football players, the athletes, you know. I used to play cricket. Cricketers didn't get no girls back in the days, but as I said, some guys have all the luck, and that's how it is. It has been back there, and now it's even worse. Some guys have all the luck. Look in your eyes. Yeah. But you just a dream and the real as you seem. I'm not that lucky. You see, some guys have all the luck. Some guys have all the pain. Some guys have a little sunshine in their life. My life is always filled with rain. Shake, shake. It's just a losing game. Yeah, things have got to change. Yes, I've been there, alone on the bus, going home alone, daydreaming, wishing I had a woman to go home to. And, you know, some guys have all the luck. And then there's guys like us, always struggling to find true love, always struggling to find love. So, here you go. Yeah, so that's the Persuaders with some guys have all the luck. And so now we're gonna go straight into Maxi Priest's version of that song. So here we go. Here we go with Maxi Priest's version of Some Guys Have All the Luck. So let's go. Some guys have all the lights. Some guys have all the fame. Some guys, my life is always filled with rain. Someone to take on the walk by the lake, dear Lord, let it be. Someone to shout, someone who's liable to cry instead of moving. I do believe I will die just for looking in your eyes and finally speaking with me. Yeah, you know, whenever you meet someone and you see that, oh, it's real, and you want to be like, oh, yeah, she's really into me for me, you know what I mean? And you know, it's hard to find that, you know, but some guys, they're just lucky. They keep finding ladies like that and they end up breaking that lady's heart. And then the real good guys hard to find some, you know, so some guys have all the luck. Some guys have all the lies. Some guys have all the things. My life is always filled with pain. Yeah, yeah. I'm so lonely, girl. Ooh, baby, yeah, yeah. It's a losing game. Things have gotta change. Yeah, yeah. Some girls will give love it. Yeah. Some guys have all the lies. Some guys have all the things. Yeah, so that's Maxi Priest singing. Some guys have all the luck, and it's true. Yeah, sometimes you wonder, oh, some guys just go through life, getting all the girls, getting in the cars, getting every friggin' thing, and you know you work so hard, but so we're gonna cut it here. So guys, as I said, like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell, guys. I need subscribers. Please subscribe, share. Okay, so guys, that's it. Big Papa signing out.